Is your expensive Windows 11 PC running slow or lagging? Microsoft loads your system with tracking and bloatware. Let's crack it open and fix it.
First, go to your privacy settings and click Diagnostics and Feedback. We are shutting down Microsoft's data mining right now.
Toggle Send Optional Diagnostic Data to Off. This kills heavy background services, instantly freeing up your CPU for gaming.
Next, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager, and click the Startup Apps icon on the left menu.
Right-click and disable any high-impact apps you don't need running immediately. Your PC will boot up twice as fast.
Now, go to Settings, search for Game Mode, and switch it to On. This prioritizes your hardware resources for whatever game you run.
Just below that, click Graphics, and turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This drops system latency and boosts your FPS. Is your PC running faster? Tell me in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to TechCracked for more quick fixes.